Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Surya, your physical therapist. In my last video, I talked about knee pain and how to get rid of it with 5 most effective stretching exercises. And today I'm here to continue the same topic, but in this video, I'm going to talk about how to keep your knee strong and stable. Understand one thing, that before going for the strengthening exercises, it is always important to prepare the body or part for it. For that, one must have a good muscle flexibility and joint range of motion. And stretching exercises helps you to achieve these parameters, which we already discussed in our last episode. So guys, let's start with the 5 most effective strengthening exercises to keep your knee strong and stable. So the first muscle we are going to target is VMO muscle. So this is a part of quadriceps muscle, but the major function of VMO muscle is to provide end range extension. This exercise is basically an isometric exercise, so that means we are not going to move the part, it's just about contracting the muscles. So for that, what I will use is a towel roll, put it under my knee. In some cases, if people are feeling difficult while sitting in this case or doing a long sitting, so what you can do is you can keep your hands back and take a support. Second thing is, you take the foot towards you or keep it in a neutral position and then try to contract the quads. Now, what you don't have to do is, don't try to lift your foot off the ground. Just keep it there, heel intact with the surface, contract the quads, hold it for at least 20 to 30 seconds, keep breathing and slowly relax. Repeat it 2 more times and do the same movement on the other side. So if I have a better control over this exercise, what I will do is a modification of that exercise. So in that case, what I will use is a football or a basketball, put it under my knee. Now in that case, I'm getting more space, I'm getting more knee bending. Now this exercise is isotonic. Now in this exercise, I will not only contract my muscle, but I'll start moving my lower part of the leg. So again, I will go in that same position, relax myself comfortably, keep breathing, take the foot towards you. So keep breathing, lift your foot up towards the ceiling and slowly relax. As you relax, try not to fully relax the muscle. Just touch the floor and lift up again. It should be rhythmic. Repeat the movement for at least 15 to 20 times and 3 sets of this on one side and repeat the same thing on the other side. So these exercises are called a short arc exercise. Provides good strength to your quadriceps muscle. You can add weights to progress it more. So the next exercise we are going to do is called clamshell exercise. This exercise targets gluteus medius muscle. So the position in which you have to do this exercise is lie down in a side-lying position. Bend your elbow, hand under your head, relax your head properly. Bend your hip and knee. Don't take it too close to the chest. So let's say the angle should be around 45 degrees, and when you're bending, so if it's in a straight line, you have to bend it at 90 degrees. So in this case, what you have to do is, first of all, take your hand around your waist. So this will act as a reference point while doing the exercise, because this will show you whether you are compensating with your hip or not. Because if you do this movement and you're compensating, you will see that you are moving your elbow. So this should be stable. And now what you have to do in this exercise is, don't lift your foot, lift your knee off the ground and slowly relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Repeat the movement 15 times. Do 3 sets of this on one side and repeat the same movement on the other side. As a modification, I can use a resistance loop just above the knee to do the same movement. So I'll wear it up just above the knee. Go into that same position, fully relaxed, engage the core and repeat the movement. The next exercise we're going to do is called single leg bridge. So again, what I will suggest is to go for an isometric exercise in which you lift the pelvis and hold it that position. Now what you have to do is engage your core, tuck in properly, relax rest of the body part, relax the shoulders, look straight up towards the ceiling, first lift one leg up and then start putting the weight on the other leg and lift your pelvis up. So when I'm saying it's an isometric exercise, that means I will hold this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. And what I have to notice in this exercise is I should not drop my pelvis. My pelvis should be in line. And then slowly I will relax. Once you have a better control, the modification of the same exercises, what you can do is you again go for the same position. Now, in spite of holding the position, go for the repetitions. So you go up, don't press the muscle, up again, repeat the movement for 15 to 20 seconds, keep breathing, and once it's done, repeat the same movement on the other side, do 3 sets of it, and then relax. So the next exercise is called standing knee curls. So this will help in strengthening the hamstring muscles. So what we can do is either I will use a support while doing this exercise, or once you have a better control over the movement and if you can balance better, then you don't need support in that case. So what you have to do is hold on to something and then look straight, engage your core properly, and then start bending your knee. Take the heel towards your palm and relax. Repeat the movement. Don't try to rest the muscle completely. Do the movement. If you're doing without weights, then you can go for like 15 to 20 reps, 3 sets on one side, and same movement on the other side. To modify this exercise, what you can use is a weight cuff around your ankle and repeat the same movement. So the next exercise we are going to do is called single leg balance. Very, very effective exercise to get your balance back, whether you have any ankle injury or knee injury or you're suffering from low back pain. The first thing you lose is balance. So what you have to do is stand on one leg, keep your spine straight, keep breathing, keep yourself as neutral as possible. Don't try to contract the shoulders or try to shrug your shoulders. Just relax yourself, keep your hands to the side. If in case you are feeling trouble or you're getting trouble while doing this exercise, you can keep your hands apart initially. But slowly, once you get a better control, just drop your hands and keep breathing. Your target should be at least standing on one leg for 1 minute. And then you switch to other side and repeat the same movement on the other side. Let's say do it for 3 times on one side and 3 times on other side. So this is the modified version of single leg standing. What I'm using here is a sofa cushion. You can use pillow also. So, but when you are going or switch to the modified version of that, don't try to directly go for a single leg standing. What I would prefer is you stand on that first. Keep breathing, keep your posture in check, and then what you have to do is close your eyes and balance yourself. Keep breathing, hold it for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you have a better control over this, then you can go for a single leg standing on the cushion. Initially, you might feel that it's tough for you, but once you do practice, and then you'll be used to it. So what you have to do is lift one leg, keep breathing, hold the position. Again, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute and repeat the same movement on the other side. So that's all for today, guys, with the 5 most effective strengthening exercises to keep your knee strong and stable. Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay tuned. Hasta la vista.